If you want to make a video with pictures and music on Snapchat, here's how to do it easily. First, launch your Snapchat and make sure you are logged in and the app is up to date. Take any quick snap to begin. Now, at the right hand side, you're gonna find the font icon. Click on the option Stickers. Now over here, you're gonna find the font options. You can use any of these. Just add it. Again, go to Stickers. Use these different tabs. And from here, you can use the pictures in this way. Once the photos are added, tap the music icon to choose a song. You can pick from the music option soon or browse your own audio. After selecting a track, tap Next. You can adjust the music or hide its tag by dragging it down. When you are satisfied, tap Send to and share the video with your friends. If you don't see the music option, go to App Store or Play Store, search for Snapchat and update the app. If needed, reinstall it. And that's it. This is how you can easily make a video with pictures and music on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.